Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my monthly Ipsy unbagging for you, and this is for the month of September. And again, I apologize for my hoarse voice. As you'll hear in some of my other videos I'm filming around these days, I'm definitely getting over laryngitis. It's been a couple of weeks now. I otherwise feel okay, but for whatever reason, it just takes a while to get over this. So I apologize for the hoarseness, but I didn't want to delay these videos any longer. I had to get them out for you. So I hope you can bear with me and my hoarse voice today. For those of you who might be new here, thanks for checking out this video. I'm a full-time working mom, but I really like making videos on fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle. I also love making recent videos on my Poshmark experience as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos and also subscribing to my channel, linked down below. So again, for today's video, I'm just going to jump into my Ipsy unbagging. As you all know, I've been an Ipsy subscriber for a couple years now. Absolutely love the service and really look forward to getting my glam bags every month. So since this is a customized subscription service, we all don't get the same bags, as you all probably know. So it's always fun to check out what other people are getting. So I hope that you find these kind of videos interesting so you can kind of see what things I get. And I definitely am watching other YouTube videos out there as well to see some other fun products that I might want to try out for myself. So if that sounds interesting at all, definitely keep watching. And I'm going to go ahead and just break into this thing. So here's the beautiful glam bag. Just going to go ahead and bust into it right now. And let's see what the bag looks like this month. And as I say every month, I have not looked at any of the email advertisements for this month's bag, so I really have no idea what is in this bag. I just kind of want to be surprised when I get it every month. I definitely don't get on there. I'm not very active in terms of changing my profile or things I'm interested in. I don't really give feedback on any products, to be honest. I just don't have that kind of time. So I really, for the amount of disengagement I have with the program, I'm pretty happy with the picks they select for me. But this is the bag this month, and every month, as you know, you get a beautiful cosmetic bag. I totally love this one. And the reason is, look at this zipper pull. It's kind of like a faux quartz crystal. It's a really cute, fun design. I totally love it. Usually it's just a plain zipper pull that says Ipsy, so I really like how they changed it up this month. I also really love this blush color with the gold tone hardware. That's totally my style. I love blush and I love gold, so just really beautiful. It's going to fit in nicely with my purses that I tend to use these in. And look, I think these are actually constellations as well. So kind of a fun astrological type of theme. And it says Ipsy on the back. It's a fabric bag, so it probably isn't going to hold up too well to makeup, but you know, you get one of these every month, so they don't have to be that great quality, I'd say. But let's go ahead and just dive into what's inside. So I'm just going to pull out the little flyer here. And you'd see it says September is all about new paths and possibilities. That kind of fits the bag design as well. And they're encouraging you to take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? And inside, as I love, what they do now is tell you all about the products in here. So I'm going to reference this as I'm going through my bag and kind of give you a little bit more information about each of the items. So the first thing that's kind of like busting out of here is this big product, and it's from a brand I know and love very much. It's from It Cosmetics. I actually did a full It Cosmetics kind of review and get ready with me video that I'll link down below if you haven't seen that already. But I totally love this line of products. They make everything from skincare, as it looks like, to beautiful makeup products. And I first discovered them from their makeup, and their very famous Bye Bye Pores is, I think, the first product I ever tried, which I really love. I also love their CC cream and use it pretty much on the daily. So definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it already. But I have not tried their skincare. So this is Confidence in a Cleanser, and I have heard about this particular item before, but I haven't actually given it a try because, to be honest, I love my Philosophy Purity Made Simple Cleanser, which I've talked about on this channel before. So I just kind of always stick to that one, but I definitely want to try this out. I think I'll probably enjoy it, I imagine. It's gentle for all skin types. It's hydrating, cleansing serum. So it's not just a cleanser, it's kind of a serum. Massage it into wet skin. That's what it looks like. It's a nice size, actually. It's 0.6 ounces, and it's sealed here. let's see what this says here. It's a cleanser serum for all skin types, including sensitive skin. There's collagen, hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, moisturizing your skin, and also removes dirt, makeup, and oils. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try. I really like these small little travel size versions for travel, so I'm probably gonna use it in that way, but I'll let you know what I think about it. But a really nice skincare item. The next item in here, let's see, I'll just grab this thing. Looks like a lip gloss, my favorite. It's from Ofra, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but OFRA, Madison Miller lip gloss. And let's see, it's a collaboration as well. It's called Sugar Cup, I believe is the shade. It's a limited edition collab between Ofra and the beauty lifestyle blogger Madison Miller, who I definitely like her videos and I've seen many of them. So that's cool that she did a collaboration with them. And it's just a really high pigmented gloss, it looks like, with a hint of purple. And you can use it as a traditional lip gloss. So this really kind of purple violety shades I think is really trendy now. It's really cute packaging there. So I have lip color on now, but maybe I'll just swatch it here for you. It goes on smooth. I think it's going to be relatively sheer, which is nice. And I really love this kind of pink with a pop of a little violet color. I have a couple of nail polishes that I've gotten from Ipsy with a similar shade that I think is going to go well, but that's how it swatches. So it feels moisturizing. I'm definitely going to give it a try. And even though it's a true gloss, it definitely has a pretty decent amount of pigment, which I like as well. So another great find. And it's really a full-size lip gloss, so just an amazing value from Ipsy bag. All right, the next item here looks like it's eyeshadow. It's IBY Beauty Lush Eyeshadow. It's called City Limits in Fire and Ice, it says. Here's the packaging. So it's founded in Los Angeles, and this apparently is going to be a pretty neutral shade. You can also use it kind of like an eyeliner, but look at the cute little package. Super cute. And then let's open it up. Oh yeah, it is a really nice kind of neutral brown. Definitely along the lines of things I like. It'd be a great eyeliner as well. I think you can even wet it like it says to use as an eyeliner. Let me try to swatch it here. Swatches pretty nicely. Maybe not the best, I'd say, but overall it's pretty nice. It's kind of a brownish taupey shade, I think. And there isn't a lot of shimmer, maybe just a touch, but there I have it right here next to the lip gloss. It's really pretty. I think these will actually go pretty well together even. I think it's a really nice eyeshadow. I think really in the crease as well. I like to put these slightly darker shades. So I think it'd be a nice one. Another cute little pot. It's like so adorable. So that's my third product. Then I have a couple other things. Oh, it's another nail polish. And like I said in other videos, I get basically a nail polish, I think, in every bag, which I'm not angry about, to be honest. I probably use nail polishes more than other of my Ipsy items that I get. So I haven't bought a nail product in like forever. And here's an example of a shade that I just got in one of my other bags that I decided to put on. And I do all my own nails just because of the lack of time I have. So I love these nail products. And I think I've gotten this brand before. It's Nature's Cartel, and the color is Rose Gold. And let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Looks kind of like a rose gold type of a shade. I definitely don't have this one. I definitely have gotten this brand though, I can tell you that much. But look at that color. It's really pretty for going into fall, a great transitional color. So I'm excited to try this one. It's definitely a rose gold, I would say. Metallic kind of color, so super cool. That's a good one. And then I just have one more product in here, and it looks like it's going to be a hand cream. Duft and Doft is the brand. Pink Breeze Nourishing Hand Cream. And it's a K-Beauty hand cream, and it looks like it has shea butter, vitamin E, collagen, like a lot of hand creams do. And looks like there's a peach and pink peony scent, so it is sealed, but I'll unseal it here. Let me take a quick sample of it. definitely have a hint of floral, I'll say that. I can smell it already. Let's give it a try. And it's not the thickest cream, but there definitely is some density to it, I'd say. You can see there. Yeah, I'd say definitely a little bit of floral. That's not too strong, to be honest, which is nice. And it definitely works like a hand cream. You can tell it's very moisturizing. So super cute packaging as well, which I'll definitely be happy to throw into my bags. So that's my 5th and final product. So overall, again, I say it almost every month, but this may be one of my better months. I think I'm going to use all the products. And I can't say that every month, I'll say that. Oftentimes I'll use a couple of them from the bags, but the other ones I just don't get to. But I think I'll use everything. I'm going to use the cleanser, lip gloss, of course, you can get too many lip glosses. Nail polish, of course, like I said, I use every time. Eyeshadows I use on a daily, and then this hand cream, you just can't go wrong. So I got 5 awesome products. Let me know what cool products you got. List them down below as well so I can check them out. But the bag is empty. Oh, and I didn't even notice, it's this really nice pop of blue in the inside, which is really pretty. But that's it for the bag. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really quick video, as they all are, with my Ipsy unbaggings. But I just want to kind of show you the items I got, give you a little bit of my first impressions, and also want to hear about things that you love from Ipsy too. So if you haven't done so already, definitely consider checking out my other beauty videos and consider subscribing to this channel. Otherwise, I will plan to see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!